David was the youngest son of Jesse from the tribe of Judah. He was a simple shepherd in Bethlehem, but God chose him to be the future king of Israel. The prophet Samuel anointed David as king while Saul was still ruling. His first moment of fame came when he defeated the giant Goliath with a sling and stone. This victory made him a hero, and he became a favorite of King Saul. David became a commander in Saul's army and won many battles. However, Saul became jealous of David's growing popularity. He repeatedly tried to kill David, forcing him to flee. Despite having chances to kill Saul, David refused, saying he would not harm the Lord's anointed. This showed his deep respect for God's will. After Saul and his son Jonathan died in battle, David mourned their deaths instead of celebrating. After Saul's death, David was first crowned king of Judah in Hebron. After 7 years, he became king over all Israel. As king, David captured Jerusalem and made it his capital. He also brought the Ark of the Covenant to Jerusalem, making it the religious center of Israel. David expanded Israel's territory and established a powerful kingdom. He wrote many psalms praising and seeking God. However, David also made mistakes. He committed adultery with Bathsheba and arranged to death of her husband Uriah. When the prophet Nathan confronted him, David repented deeply. Though God forgave him, David faced serious consequences. His family suffered greatly. David's later years were filled with family conflicts. His son Absalom rebelled and declared himself king, forcing David to flee. Eventually, David's army defeated Absalom, but David mourned his son's death. Despite these troubles, David continued to rule until old age. In his old age, David chose Solomon as his successors. Before dying, he advised Solomon to follow God's law. David died after a 40-year reign, leaving behind a strong kingdom. His legacy continued through Solomon and ultimately through Jesus Christ, who is called the Son of David in the New Testament. The lesson we learn from David's life are 1. A man after God's own heart. Despite his sin, David remained faithful to God and repented when he failed. 2. The Psalms. He wrote many of Psalms which are still used in worship today. Third ancestor of Jesus. Jesus was born from David's lineage, fulfilling God's promise that David's kingdom would last forever.